My name's Garrett Lindley. I work here at the Abilene branch. I'm the service manager. I've been here about 2.5 years, going on 3. I was born here, moved to Wichita Falls, graduated there, and then moved back. Most of my family lives around here, my grandparents and everything. Kent Flanagan called me and asked me to do some welding work for him for Kirby Smith. I began contracting for Kirby Smith for about 6 months, and then they had offered me a job to come run the shop here in Abilene. When I started in Abilene, it was really small. I think I started a month or so after Justin did. He's the guy that I got in contact with Kent, and we came here, and I think there was 8 pieces of equipment on this yard when we started. Now I think there's somewhere in the ballpark of 160 machines on this yard. So it has grown immensely compared to what it was. And those machines need to go out and run for the duration of the rental or the duration of the customer's job. I mean, there's going to be breakdowns along the way, but for the most part, we got to make sure they don't go out with any issues that would come back and cause downtime or rental loss. We had a D155 out on Ranger Hill that went down and broke the tracks, and me and another tech went out and broke the track apart and repaired it. We stayed till about 10:30 that night trying to get it repaired so that they could use it the next day. Kirby Smith is bar none the best company I've ever worked for. They seem to take care of you. They make sure everything's done the way it needs to be done. They're very safety oriented. We make sure that our employees go home every night to their families and are safe. My name is Garrett Lindley. I'm the service manager here in Abilene, and we are one Kirby Smith.